The AGM MASETCH Tram dual track set is a thrilling racing game that offers the excitement of speeds up to 370 miles per hour, perfect for competitive racing enthusiasts. This set features 4 officially licensed vehicles equipped with LED lights and strong magnetic bases, ensuring smooth and fast operation on the track. With remote control capabilities, the set allows for exhilarating high-speed racing, reaching up to 370 miles per hour, providing a fantastic experience for both children and adults. The track is designed for easy assembly and disassembly, offering various configurations to keep the racing experience fresh and challenging. Made from durable and safe ABS plastic materials, this track set is an ideal gift for children aged 8 and above, suitable for numerous special occasions throughout the year. The product offers excellent customer service, with a commitment to responding to inquiries within a day, enhancing the overall purchase experience.